Hello, this is the Provoked Prawn, and this is the Razer Hyperflux, a Mamba and Firefly system, which includes a wireless charging mat and a mouse with no battery in it, which is the Razer Mamba mouse. You can use the mouse wired or wireless, which is interesting, and it's a large double-sided surface mouse mat. It's a really cool wireless system. This is an unboxing video, so you can enjoy all the joy of that, and I will do a review at some point in the future. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and come back for more. Drop us a comment to let us know what you think as well. One extremely lightweight Mamba mouse. Beautifully braided Razer cable. Classic green. Double-sided surface. This one's kind of velvety, and then that more classic. And that's kind of sticky, so it'll keep the surface down. And the back is honeycomb, so it's down the desk. And then around the outside it's got the lighting. One point of note here is, if you look, you can plug this in directly. So it's actually wireless and wired, much like the other Mamba. Immediately on, off, useless, usable. Razer stickers. Multiple languages. Profile switching on the side. See, it's white currently. Oh, that's interesting, look. Doesn't even need full contact. I don't know when you'd hold your mouse like that, but... different colour cycling. All this is obviously operated in Razer Synapse software. And you can see the lighting around the edges as well. How well that'll show up in this light. One thing to note is the size of it. That's pretty big. As you'll see, if I pull up the keyboard for comparison's sake, it's nearly as big as a keyboard. In fact, it takes up like 3/4 of the same amount of space. So if you've got a small desk, I might want to consider that as a problem. Considering the mouse goes up to 16,000 dpi, you wouldn't think you'd need quite this much room, but I suppose it depends on how you play. So there we go.